Finally, I'm going to show you how to upload your web pages to the World Wide Web. At the moment, your HTML documents are just sat on your computer, and the only people that can see them are you or your friends and family that are sat at your computer. So that you can share them with other users around the world, you need to upload them to some web space. And web space is normally provided to you either by your internet service provider, or perhaps you've bought a domain and along with that domain you also get some web space. The first thing that you'll need is an FTP program, and FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and this is a way of being able to transfer files from one computer to another computer. So in the case of web pages, it's from your own computer where you've designed and saved the web pages to a web server. The one that I've commonly used is one called Ace FTP. I'll show you whereabouts to find it. If we just open up Google and search for it, they have a free version and a pro version. For basic FTP purposes, the freeware version is more than adequate. And so if we go to their website, you'll notice that you can download the free version from here. You do need to register it within 30 days of downloading and installing it onto your computer, but you can do that for free. All you need to do is to enter your email address and they'll send you a key. Having downloaded and installed it onto your computer, you'll be presented with this type of interface. This type of interface is very common. On the left hand side you have your own computer, and on the right hand side you'll have the computer that you're connecting to and you want to transfer the files to. So in our case that will be a web server. So if we go to the File menu and click Connect, then you'll notice that I've already set up a site profile. But if we clicked on the new site profile, then we have a wizard. The only bit of information you'll need, and you'll have to get this from whoever is providing the web space for you, is the server name, the user name or user ID, and the password associated with that FTP account. And this will be unique to you. Once you've inserted all that information and given a name to the site, then you'll be able to connect. So I've already set one up, so if we just double click on it, then it connects with the remote server. I've created a separate subdirectory just for our test purposes. So I'm just going to navigate to the correct place. And from the left hand side, if you remember the left hand side is what's currently on my own computer, I need to select all the files that I need to upload. So I'm going to have to upload the index file, and then you just click on the arrow, and the arrow just points where you want that file to go. So we want it to go from the left, i.e. my computer, to the right hand side, i.e. the web server. But not only do we just want that HTML page, we've got an image that we also need to copy across. And if you remember, we put our second page within a directory called test. So we need to upload that as well. So having done all of that, we should now be able to browse to it using a web browser. So now anyone in the world is able to browse to the web page that we've just created, and it's not just present on my computer, it's also present on a web server. From this video tutorial, you've learnt some of the basics of HTML, which will allow you to create simple web pages. You can now lay out text and pictures within web pages using structural elements and tables, and link from one page to another. I've also shown you how you can upload your web pages to a web server using an FTP program. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to HTML and look forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.